I'm Kate Meyer, a researcher at Nielsen Norman Group. Page parking is an internet browsing behavior when users open multiple tabs in a browser as a way to save pages to visit later. This differs from parallel browsing, which happens when users have different tabs open for different tasks, and then they alternate between those tasks. Page parking, in contrast, has many tabs for a single task. Users like page parking as a strategy because it saves them from Pogo-Sticking. So for example, clicking one result from a search results page and then returning back to the results page and then clicking another one. Unlike Pogo-Sticking, page parking allows users to first scan a list of available options and consider which ones are relevant or of interest. Then the users can move between those tabs and digest the information individually on each page. We see users of all ages utilize page parking, but it seems to be especially prevalent in younger users, like millennials. Let's look at an example from a study that I conducted, which focused on millennial users. One participant in the study was shopping for a new car. First, she thought about what information she needed to know in order to decide which car to buy. So she quickly opened 3 new tabs and searched on Google for each one. Those searches are represented here by those big circles labeled with a Q. For example, one of her searches was most fuel-efficient cars. Beginning in the 3rd tab, her most recent query, she selected 2 pages from the search results list and opened them into new tabs. Then she moved back to the 2nd queries tab and did the same thing, opening 2 more tabs. One of those pages had a list of links. She scanned that list and opened 3 of those links into 3 more tabs. And then she moved back to her 1st queries tab, opened 2 links from that list, and then 2 more from one of those pages, and then finally 1 more link from the 1st queries list. And all of that happened in less than 5 minutes and left her with 15 tabs open. That might sound and look a little chaotic, but it's actually a very helpful information-seeking strategy, which allows people to process the huge amount of information sources and options that are available to them online.